I'm good. All right.
And action.
I always wanted to make a collab song, a collab song that it would instantly make you think of that person, that one person that you like secretly admire. Yeah, a love song that, let's say you've heard it before, and now you are in an incident, in an incident where you happen to be starstruck by like a stranger's gorgeousness. The song kind of hits you and start playing in your mind and at the very back of your mind in a way that is impossible to shake it off. Yeah, man. I love jazz. I love some Hugh Masekela, Miles Davis, Pharoah Sanders. No, upande wa rap, there's this one song by Common, I think featuring Mary J. Blige. It's called Come Close. Now that's the kind of song I always thought maybe I should have a version of. Like in my own words, in the same vibe. Some more than 10 years later, here I am making such. Actually, I thought of the song when I was scouting for the location to shoot the video. Kitu iliningia like, hii song iko na hiyo vibe ya Common. The song started with a tune and some incomplete rhyme. Naweza sema incomplete because other than the tune, I had heho and deto, then kapata connector ya berie as in hey berie do berie. I didn't have anything else, no lines, no verse. And then I met my producer, nikamchapia hiyo idea, akaisikiza. So we were trying work on it. So after I solidify the instrumentation, so mimi nikaenda kwa kona yangu, I'm trying to write these lines, and I ako busy and I try kuongezea au ma 1 2 1 2. At the end of the day, we had something. So now, the song at first, I didn't. Okay, the only reason why nilipatia thought ni juu I felt if we made the instrumental, itakuwa jazzy, like, because what I'm trying to do with Kikuyu music then, sahi nafanya, is that I want to like take it out of the kakokune yenye imeeko for a long time. So yeah, ilitoka Mowili, and that's a good thing. Ilitoka Benga, and that's a good thing. Ilitoka sasa ikaingia Afro pop, something hapo hivyo, Afro soul. Now lo-fi jazz, come on. I was a bit skeptical about making it like a real project, because that meant nitaimba, and I don't consider myself a singer. But then again, I remembered of a friend of mine and one of my favorite artists. He's almost like everybody's favorite artist. I'm working hard about us working on a collab. So I felt like this one is perfect for us. So after we made the song, the skeleton was done, and it had this sensual, sweet 16 bars.
So
I sent it to the artist. Yeah, but I don't know. Either haku like, because after I sent it, I kind of explained everything and we kind of vibed on it. Either haku like, hakutaka kuniambia nisivunjike moyo, ama ali procrastinate, nakasahau until time imeenda sana. Because I can't think of any other thing yenye I kumfanya reach back like, yo. So after like a year or so ya kungoja kusikia, because I'm one of those people who don't like push ndo nisikae desperate. I was like, you have this, so I don't have to keep on. But ya wasanii ni mengi. So after a year imepita, I called my producer like, staki project ipotele, I feel like I should put it out there regardless. And he was like, you can sing, you wanna sing? I don't wanna think of it much, so I was like, let's just work on it to venye iko, cause your energy ishaenda na itaniuma. So yeah, I nilimwambia if you can be ready tomorrow, because I think it was on a Friday, so nikamwambia on Saturday if anaweza kuwa free hiyo usiku nitaandika the second verse. And he was like, yeah, let's do this. And here we are. We have NONYENDE. What I would love for people to take from this is, one, Kikuyu music is just beautiful. You can make it into anything. If you want some hardcore, if you want some humorous, if you want some sensual shit, it can go all the way. Just as sweet as French or Spanish or just that bourgeois English. Kikuyu language, Kikuyu music can do the same. So here we are. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for having me, giving me an opportunity to explain myself. Yeah, because this is one of a kind. This is interesting in its own way. A lot of people don't know me like this. Yeah, they know me for some gangster, hardcore, conscious shit. But here I am. Here I am. Thank you. Yeah. On the next episode, I think we should talk about the video, because it also had some magical moments. The creation of it was just incredible. So yeah. On the next episode, let's talk about the making of the video. NONYENDE, Flow Flani this time round. Special appearance by Wangari SK. Directed by yours truly and shot and produced by Video Guru, AJ Photography. Tuko sawa? All right, thank you very much. Thank you.